Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 on your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have a name, near to the name here's pencil icon. You need to tap at this icon, but some Android phones have this icon at the right top, and also some Android phones have a line with the name, not this pencil icon, so then you need to tap at that line. But we will tap at the pencil icon. And right here you can write the best one for you. You can also remove some text, but I'm going to only add this text. The most important is to click Rename at the right bottom here to save this name. On your phone it may be done or OK or check mark or something else. So tap at this button and we just change it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!